Hi there, this is Gina Clitheroe with the Vermont Agency of Agriculture, Food and Markets. I work with the Vermont Produce Program, and today we're going to have a conversation with Eric of Joe's Brook Farm to talk about Joe's Brook's Produce Safety Improvement Grant project.
So my name is Eric Skovstead, and I run Joe's Brook Farm in Barnet, Vermont with my wife, Mary. A 20 acre vegetable farm, 3 acres of strawberries. We are a split between direct to consumer and wholesale. We got started, 11 years ago with one tomato greenhouse, a 28 by 48 house and a garden. And we got into one farmer's market, the St. Johnsbury Farmer's Market. We built another greenhouse one way or another, and then we were off and running.
Is there anything that you want your customers to know about how you're managing produce safety on your farm?
Well, we have the same risks as any vegetable farm, and we just try to mitigate them through a variety of technologies and practices that are sort of all encapsulated in our CAPS certification, which is a statewide certification to sort of ensure that we are doing the best job we can be doing and meeting a certain number of best practices for keeping our produce safe and clean. That includes everything from just sort of, what kind of containers we pick out of to sort of how getting our water tested, to what the surfaces on our washroom are. So the main one is just keeping vegetables clean and making sure that we're not transferring any bacteria or disease that could be present in the environment, even if it's only momentarily present in the environment, through the wash, pack process and onto the consumer. So produce safety is one of the most important things on our farm, and it will continue to be for forever.
And can you talk a little bit specifically around the Produce Safety Improvement Project that was funded through the Vermont Produce Program?
And this most recent grant was for a new piece of equipment called a high pressure rinse line. We use it for kales, chards, carrots, beets, and lettuce, head lettuce, melons. Particularly great to be able to just put a melon through here, not have it come in contact with any brushes, only water. The whole thing is stainless steel, and so the melon is getting scrubbed by water pressure and sterilized with the solution. And then when we're done, we'll take all of our containers, our field containers and our pack house containers, and we'll turn it to super high pressure, and we'll send all those through.
And so can you talk a little bit about how this grant impacted your farm?
It's been really significant to our farm and really changes what kind of crops we're able to do profitably and the quantities that we're able to do as well. We're able to take 200 bunches of beets, 450 bunches of carrots, and 2 people, and push that through in an hour's time. And they're clean, and they're getting some cooling, which is huge. It's really increased our production tremendously, and I think increased the quality of the sort of pack out experience for our employees. And then a grant program like this puts a lot of farmers together, going in the same direction. Small farmers in the New England area and in the Vermont area are well positioned to sort of kind of lead the way when it comes to produce safety.